This retro Santa shirt is about to be your Christmas favorite, and it takes less than 5 minutes to make. I'm Ashley, and this is Chip Builds, and welcome to the 12 Days of Craftmas. Today, I'm pressing the Sleigh All Day transfer, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. If you've been wanting to make Christmas shirts without all the weeding and layering, then DTF is the answer. We're going to make a shirt that looks completely store-bought and with half the amount of work. So let's head on over to the Ninja Transfer website, and I'll show you how easy it is. All right, so we're here in the Ninja Transfer website, and you can see up here they have all different kinds of things. They have blanks that they sell, patches, and all this fun stuff. So I'm going to come over here to DTF transfers, and then you can do just by size or a DTF gang sheet, where this will let you build it in their in-house software, or you can do what I did, where you just upload a gang sheet, and it's really cool because you can just download all the templates that you need right here. So they have the 2 feet, 5 feet, and they even go all the way up to 30 feet. So I'm just going to do this one, and then let's find my file. All right, so it's going to really quickly upload my document. And then down here, you can check if you want the standard style, glitter, glow in the dark, gold foil, or silver foil. I typically just do standard. But so it's going to give you a mock-up of what it looks like, and you can zoom in. And so this is giving you a preview of exactly how it's going to print. So if something looks weird in this window, you definitely want to fix it before you move on to the next step. And then that looks right. So it looks like the price currently is $20 for the 2-foot gang sheet. And then I'm going to check this box, and then we can proceed to checkout. All right, so I ordered a 2-foot gang sheet from Ninja Transfers. I love this company a lot. It's always a great deal, and it always comes really quickly. So for this project, we're going to do the Sleigh All Day Retro Santa Blowing Bubblegum because I think it's fun. So I made this in Adobe Illustrator, and I'll have the file down below if you want to purchase it. But definitely, when you make your own gang sheet, you want to use as much space as possible to get your money's worth out of it. So let's cut this up, and then we can press it on our t-shirt. But it's really cool. They give you the parchment paper you need, and as well as all the instructions. All right, we have our transfer sheet here, and then so we can just start cutting. There's no real like scientific way to do this. Just do whatever works for you. All right, so we have our transfer. I'm gonna trim off some of this excess here. And I think that looks awesome. So let's get our t-shirt ready to go. All right, so I have this white comfort color shirt. So what I'm gonna actually do with my shirt is I wanna make sure my design is certainly in the center. So you can do that a couple ways. You can get a t-shirt ruler, and the one I normally use is from HTV Romp, but I can't find where I put it. So I'm gonna do the trick of we will fold this shirt in half like so, and then I'm actually going to put my parchment paper on here to iron it just because it is a white shirt, and then we are going to just iron it so that little crease is there. So for this project too, we're going to do 310 temperature and 15 seconds for the time. All right, I think that's going to be pretty good in there. I trust that. I think that will be fine, hopefully. But we shall see, I guess. So we want to get rid of the moisture on the shirt so that this is going to have the best chance of sticking. And then the next thing I'm going to do is with my transfer, I'm going to very lightly, I'm going to line up this design in half roughly, and I'm going to make a crease up here on top. Part that's not going to really matter, and then down here on the bottom too. All right, so now we can just find our center crease here and find our crease. I need to pull the shirt up just a little bit. And then roughly you want about three fingers from the top of the design. Well, what do we think? Does that look right? You tell me, guys. I think that's gonna be good enough. Ninja Transfers was also nice enough to send us a piece of heat transfer tape. And then I'm going to put this over the design like this. And then we are gonna put medium to firm pressure on this design. I'll do it in 2 parts. So we're going to do 310 for 15 seconds. All right. Then we'll pick that up. I'll do this next part. Same thing. Firm pressure. And then last but not least, this other side. Nice firm pressure. All right, let's remove our parchment. And then this is a warm peel. And you want to do this at like an angle. You don't want to be pulling up. Like that is looking pretty awesome. I'm honestly impressed. How cool. That looks so awesome. Love how that looks. And then per the Ninja Transfer instructions, we are going to press this a second time. And if you really want to, you can up the heat a little bit, but you don't have to. All right, so I'm just going to do a second press of this to really nail everything down. It's going to be great. Again, just using that medium to firm pressure. That looks so good, you guys. That looks super awesome. One of the things I really like about DTF transfers is it doesn't feel heavy like HTV does. Like it feels like there's barely anything there. But all right, let me get you a close-up here. How awesome does that look? I love this vintage bubblegum, and I just love how all the colors came out. Highly recommend Ninja Transfers if you're going to do a project like this for yourself. Well guys, this thing turned out looking so freaking good. I love how light it feels. It doesn't have that like heaviness that HTV can have, especially when you're layering it for the different colors. Like this would be like 6 or 7 different HTV colors, and nobody has time for that right now. So I love that this is just a one and done press, and then you're good to go. This is the perfect method for if you're trying to make matching pajamas for your family or for your kids or friends. And it's a pretty low cost way to get custom garments, because you can get either a small gang sheet like the one I showed you, or I've gotten like 5-foot ones before, and you can get a bunch of different finishes. You can get just a normal one like this one is. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. I have everything listed below that you need, and don't forget to enter the giveaway we're doing with MakerFlow, where if you're in the 48 states excluding Alaska and Hawaii, you can win a free sublimation oven which can hold 12 20-ounce tumblers. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.